Hi, I'm Misty from Cellustrious Hair Rejuvenation, and today I want to explain why we use a derma stamp in the at-home protocol. So the Cellustrious at-home protocol includes a scalp stamp, the hair follicle serum, a scalp replenisher, and a leave-in conditioner. And the reason that we use a stamp and say not a micro roller is because the rollers tend to cause a little bit more trauma. They can cause micro tears in the skin, and they really aren't any better for penetration. The number one reason that we want to use the scalp stamp is to penetrate the product. Product that just lies on the scalp doesn't have any real resonance unless you leave it in for a very long time. So what we're doing with the stamp is pushing the product deeper into the follicle. And we're also using this to trigger what's called the wound growth response. That's where the brain tells the body, I've been traumatized in some way and I need to heal. Now this is just a tiny little prick, but what the brain does is start signaling the body to produce collagen, fibroblasts, elastin, growth factors, and blood platelets, and that's what we want to do. So if we do this in a contained way, it one, helps penetrate the product into the scalp, and two, helps create a little more circulation at the follicle base, and it will help in the long run turn the scalp, the healing of the scalp over. One of the things that is often overlooked when it comes to hair loss is calcification and fibrosis, and this is one of the ways that we can help cut fibrosis and calcification. So this little stamp here is quite a really beneficial part of the kit. It comes with the follicle serum, it comes with the stamp, it comes with a scalp replenisher and a leave-in conditioner. I am offering Zoom consultations, so if you're unable to come obviously see me right now, you're welcome to set up a Zoom consult. We'll take a look at your hair and talk about any underlying pathologies that you may have, and we'll set you up on an at-home protocol. Reach out to me at info@cellustrious.com and we'll get you set up on a Zoom consult.